Hello everyone, in this video we're going to draw Santa Claus. This video will be a bit different because this is a quick sketch, so I'm going to keep the steps a bit more loose and casual. So have fun with it and don't be too strict on yourself as we sketch out Santa. Now as usual, start by drawing a circle as a guide for the head. And here I'm drawing the circle in a more traditional way, which is to do a circular motion with your hand and hover over your paper as you do the circular motion. And then when you get the motion right, you touch down on the paper with your pencil. And this will give you a nice sketch of a circle. It doesn't have to be perfect, it's just a quick sketch. And you can go over the lines a bit more to get the shape of the circle right, but remember that it's just meant to be a quick circle and a guide. If you're still having trouble drawing the circle, you can use the technique that I've used in other videos, which is basically to create a couple of small marks to indicate the sides of the circle, and then connect the small marks using curved lines to finish the shape of the circle. But a quick sketch is all you need. Now draw a long vertical line on the left side as a guideline. And this line will split the facial features in half, and it will help you place the facial features later on. And now near the bottom of the circle, draw a curved horizontal line for another construction guide. And pay attention to the distance between this line and the bottom edge of the circle. And below that, on the bottom part of the circle, draw a long curved line for the lower edge of the head. This line should be similar to a big letter U. Sketch lightly at first and pause the video as you draw along to draw at your own pace. On the right side of the head, draw a curved line for the ear, and below that a short line for the neck, and a few short lines on the sides for the top part of the body. Sketch lightly and keep it loose, and that's it for the guidelines. Now let's move on to the final drawing. Inside the head, where the construction guides intersect, draw a curved line for the nose. The curved line should be similar to an upside down question mark. Draw the tip of the nose to the left of the vertical construction guide. And sketch lightly at first and only darken the line when you get the shape right. Don't make the line for the nose too long either. Santa Claus has a short little nose. And now on the right side of the nose, draw a short line for the nostril. And this is basically just a short horizontal line to create the nostril. And to the right of that, draw a short vertical line for the side of the nostril. Don't make the nostril too big either. And on the left side, draw the other nostril using a couple of short curved lines too. Notice how small the shape of the nose is in relation to the head. Everything sort of fits where the construction guides intersect. And now on the left side of the nose, draw a couple of short horizontal lines for the first eye. The eye should fit in the space between the nose and the left edge of the guides. The eye is similar to a rectangle too. Don't make it too wide. And on the right side, draw a similar shape for the other eye. Pay attention to the distance between the eyes too. This is where the construction guides come in handy. They help you create the distance between the eyes. And draw this eye as a small rectangular shape too. Make the sides pointy for the corners of the eyes and don't make the eye too big. And now draw a horizontal line above the eye on the left for the eyelid, and follow the path of the eye as you draw this line, and do the same for the eye on the right. Draw a curved line along the shape of the eye for the eyelid. Now on the sides of the eyes, draw a couple of short lines for wrinkles. Santa is an old man, so draw a couple of short lines to create wrinkles on his face, and inside each eye, draw a short line for the irises. Draw the irises close to the right edges of the eyes. Now above the eyes, draw a couple of horizontal lines for the eyebrows. Sketch lightly at first, and pay attention to how high above the eyes the eyebrows are. And the eyebrows are similar to small rectangles as well. And when you get the shapes of the eyebrows right, darken the lines and use short strokes as you darken the shape of the eyebrows to create a hairy texture. Don't draw every individual hair strand on the eyebrows, just draw the overall shape. And make the sides pointy for the eyebrows too. And now below the nose, draw a couple of long curved lines for the first part of the mustache. So on the right side, draw a line that curves down and then to the right. And sketch lightly at first, as always, and only darken the line when you get the shape right. So this will be the top edge of the mustache. Notice how it curves up on the right side. And on the left side, draw another curved line for the other side of the mustache. And make this line a bit shorter because the head is turned. And curve the tip up as well. Now draw the rest of the mustache using more curved lines, so make the shape of the mustache thicker using curved lines farther down below. And like with the eyebrows, don't draw every individual hair strand on the mustache, just draw the overall shape. And use short angled lines for the tips of the clumps of hair on the mustache. And pay attention to how thick it is, and follow the path of the initial circle as you draw the shape of the mustache. Now below the mustache, near the middle, draw a curved line for the open mouth. Make this line big, as if he's saying ho ho ho. And below that, draw another short curved line for the lower lip. And inside the mouth, draw a small arc-like shape for the tongue. Don't make the tongue too big either. Now darken the shape of his face using the lines as guides. So darken the lines on the left side for the left side of his face. Draw a short line at the top for the forehead, above the eyebrow. And below the eye on the left, draw a curved line for the cheek. So make this line a bit more curved than the guideline to create the cheek. And now below the mustache, draw a long curved line as a guide for the beard. And draw this line going to the left and then curve it back to the right. Sketch this line lightly at first. You can make the beard bigger if you'd like to, just make sure that it fits on your paper. And when you get the shape of the beard right, darken the line, using short strokes to create a hairy texture. Again, don't draw every individual hair strand, just draw small angled lines and curved shapes for the overall shape of the beard. Draw curved lines along the bottom, short angled lines for the tips of the clumps of beard on the right side. And draw a couple of short strokes on the right side of the face for the top edge of the beard and a bit of the sideburn as well. Now draw a long curved line on the right side for the lower edge of the hat. This will be the trim on the hat. So draw the line from his forehead down to the bottom right side of the head. And sketch lightly at first, and then darken the line. And now at the top, draw a short clump of hair using curved lines. So just don't draw the individual hair strands, just draw a big curved shape for the clump of hair. Draw short angled lines for the tips of the clumps of hairs. And draw this shape higher up than the guides. Draw a couple of short lines for the hairline at the bottom. Now draw the bottom part of the beard using short angled lines. Don't overlap the hat as you draw these lines. Draw a short line at the bottom too for the ear. And darken the other shapes at the bottom too. Now draw the other edge of the trim on the hat using a few short angled lines. Follow the bottom edge of the hat as you draw these lines. So the hat is falling behind the head. So draw this line the same way. And now draw the hat, the main part of the hat, as an angled line on the right side. So curve the line to the right and then downward. And then at the bottom, draw a couple of curved lines for the tip of the hat. The pointy tip of the hat should come over the top part of the body. And at the very bottom, draw a couple of circles for the bells that are attached to the tip of the hat. So you can hear them coming down the chimney. And add a couple of curved lines as well to the hat for creases on the hat. And this Santa Claus is based on the classic Coca-Cola Santa Claus that we've all seen in advertisements. It was drawn originally by Haddon Sundblom. So that's what this drawing is based off of. And that's pretty much it for the Santa sketch. Now just go over the final lines and make them a bit darker than the guides so that they stand out more. This will take a bit longer just because you have to go over the final lines again. But just go over the final lines one more time just to make them darker, and it'll help them stand out a bit more. These next few steps will be sped up so that the video isn't too long, but make sure that you take your time when you go over the final lines so that you don't make any mistakes. If you do, just erase them, it's okay. But just go over the final lines one more time just to make them a bit darker. Also erase a bit of the guides, but don't be too strict with yourself erasing the guides. It's okay if there's a few left over, that's what makes it a sketch. So darken the final lines and add some value to the eyebrows to make them darker. Add a bit of value inside the mouth and the tongue to make it darker too, and the irises as well. Add a bit of value there as well, just to make these sections a bit darker than the rest of the sketch. So just add a little bit of value throughout the head. And pick a light source as you shade so that the shadows are consistent throughout the head. And here the light source is coming from the right side, so most of the shadows are going to be on the left side of the shapes. Use different levels of pressure on your pencil to create different values. So for light values, push down very lightly on your pencil, and for dark values, push down a bit harder. Use strokes that go in the same direction as you shade for a more uniform look. Shading can be time consuming, so be patient and take breaks. Keep shading until you're happy with the result. And that's pretty much it for Santa Claus. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more sketches like this one, and for other tutorials, please visit EasyDrawingTutorials.com. Don't forget to leave a like and to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep drawing.